Okay, so in this video we're going to look at using groups and file sharing and mapping network drives. It's going to replicate some form of work activity. So first of all, we're just going to create a shared drive. Get the lag off this virtual machine. We'll go into computer management. You select disk management. You'll see a list of drives here. So more actions we want. Create VHD for virtual hard drive. You're going to click browse. And this is not the best way of doing it, but it just works because we're just in a test environment. If we select C drive, let's give it a file name, share, save, and we need to give it a file size. Let's just call it 500 meg and keep everything else the same. Should bring a new drive down here. Building it. Yeah, so I need to right click on this bit here, initialize disk. Keep it selected as MBR, that's fine. And then in the unallocated section, create new simple volume. Let's call it, let's just default it to E, that's fine. So NTFS is fine, form click format, and finish. So that should now give us a new volume, which is E, so it's a bit like plugging in a USB drive. Let's just test it on the folder. And this PC, we've got the E drive here now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create some users and groups. So if I go to computer management again, and local using group, let's create a user. Just right click in this area here, new user. Let's call him Jeff. Full name Jeffrey. And then untick user must be able to change password at next logon, but let's just create a password for them. Again from last time, if this should test your password policy. It works. Yep, so that's created a new user, Jeffrey. And let's create a group, right click here, new group, call it friends. Let's add Jeff into here. So if you check names, it will automatically underline if that's the key. Without that, it's not added Jeffrey to the group. So now see if you click on the friends group, you've got Jeff in there. Okay, so let's just test this now. So if we go to the folder, go to our drive, and then if create a new folder, let's call it something random. Let's call it important stuff. And then let's go into important stuff. Create a text document, so new. Switch text document, let's call it test. Let's go in and edit that. Let's call it hello. Hello. And file save. Just saved it in there. Yep, so that's saved it there. Right, so let's just check the permissions of this now. So properties, sharing, share. And let's add that group friends. Like that. Add, and then read access only, so we don't want them to be able to change it. Yes, turn on discovery. advanced sharing, permissions. Let's add friends here, like that. Again, check names, it's okay. So we've only got read access, so we shouldn't be able to edit it. Remember, Jeff is in this group. Let's apply that. Let's just check the e-volume is shared as well. Sharing. Share this folder. Permissions. Add friends. Okay, so we've got read access to that as well. So folder is shared. That's a shared drive now. Let's just check. So let's just log in with Jeff. That's the password. Okay, so just click through yes through these ones. Pretty standard for a new user. And once you get into the user account, so click on the folder. You'll see the volume is here. Okay, so the eDrive, the drive, you can see important stuff is there. See test is there. Then they only had read access. Let's just test if I still have only read access. So let's edit this document. Bang on our keyboard and click File, Loads, File, Save. So access denied. So that's proved that it's worked. So that's a brief overview of user groups, creating a map drive. In the workplace, you'd normally have this as a network attached storage or something like that. It wouldn't be part of the C drive, but it's just to sort of replicate that environment.